Hello, we're going to do a little walk around demonstration video on this 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. I'll point out any items as I see them as we go around. Overall, the vehicle is in great shape. So it'll have the fog lights on it. Since this is the SXT package, you do have some wear and tear on the front bumper here. Some rock chips. This has a RevAbility rear entry conversion on it. Tires are in good shape. So I'll point out that as we go around. A few little nicks in the door here. VMI bought RevAbility, so you'll see those two, RevAbility and VMI, interchanged on these cars now. Missing a little trim piece right here. But it's essentially the AutoAbility conversion that was sold to RevAbility, and then the mobility division of Rev was sold to VMI. You have a rear entry ramp that's installed. This is the long channel conversion, so you have two wheelchair positions in the third row and the second row. The AutoAbility / Revs / VMI conversion has these nice pockets on the side, so when you put the retractor straps in there, they don't interfere with the wheelchair going in and out. And then you have this fixed bucket seat that's sitting next to it here. You do have power tailgate on this particular option. And then the way this works is you click on the button here to release the ramp to be able to come down. And then this ramp is one of the nicest on the market. This is the real tall side RevAbility ramp here. Nice wide opening. And then a really clean conversion inside here. So the vehicle comes with a set of wheelchair straps, side seat here. And then you've got your standard Grand Caravan interior. Like I said, this is the SXT package, so you have leather trimmed seats, touchscreen, backup camera, power tailgate, and side doors, spare tire. It's kind of got a lot of the features that you would need for transportation use or personal. But other than that, it's in a good looking package with those SXT wheels there, and it's ready to go. Let us know if you have any other questions. Otherwise, we hope this will work for you.